Hey guys, Ceridian Dayforce Performance Management. What it is, basically, Dayforce is an HCM or Human Capital Management Suite. The performance management module helps organizations manage employee performance cycles, goals, reviews, feedback, integrated with payroll, HR data, etc. The key features: goal setting and tracking, continuous feedback and check-ins, not just annual reviews, 360 assessments, and multi-rater reviews, right? Calibration and normalization tools, reporting and analytics, dashboards, trend insights, performance score distributions, integration with compensation and rewards, tie performance outcomes to raises, bonuses, workflow automation, reminders, approvals, review cycles, notifications. The strengths: end-to-end integration within the HR ecosystem, real-time and continuous performance feedback, not just static annual reviews, data-driven decision-making via analytics, trend monitoring, scalability and configuration can be customized per organization's needs. The challenges: the implementation complexity requires change management, employee training, strong adoption. Having good data quality, goals, and metrics is essential. Bad inputs lead to poor output. Resistance to frequent reviews or cultural mismatch can reduce effectiveness. Ensuring fairness and transparency is key. Calibration tools must be used properly. Cost and license fees, may vary. Premium modules may add up. So, Dayforce's performance module is strong in integrating performance with the rest of HR functions. For medium to large organizations wanting modern, continuous performance management, it's a good fit as long as the organization commits to the cultural and process changes needed for success. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.